Right, ladies and gents, I'm currently on the 1 hour time frame, and as we can see, yesterday I said I'm gonna wait for the market to break above this resistance area, come back and to retest it and then continue to the upside, or it must break below this area of support right here. And as we can see, the market did break below, but it didn't give us a proper retest, so it broke right into our zone again, our key area of resistance, our key area of support right here. So I was saying we're gonna wait for a reversal pattern right in this key area of support right here. And currently what I'm seeing a sort of reversal pattern, a head and shoulder. Let me mark it. So there's the first shoulder, this is the head, and I'm gonna expect the second shoulder right here for the market to continue to the upside. Let's go over to the 15 minute. So on the 15 minute, we can see the market is already moving in a minor uptrend, creating higher highs and higher lows. So my plan on the 15 minute, I'm gonna wait for the market to come back from this area of resistance right there, give us a retest here on this area of support right there to continue to the upside. So that is my plan on gold for today.